Write the following in the decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has. So the first one is 36 by 100, then 1 by 11, and then we have some other rational numbers. You have to write these in the decimal form. So I have already solved it, and the only thing you have to tell here is what kind of decimal expansion each has. We have discussed this in our previous video tutorial. We have discussed this in detail, and on the basis of that discussion, I assume that you have watched those videos. This is 0.36. It means that this decimal expansion is actually terminating. Why terminating? Because it's 0.36, that's it. The quotient is not repeating itself. None of the digits, either single digit or a string of digits, is repeating itself. Like in this case, this is 1 by 11, that is equal to 0.090909, right? So this can be written as 0.09 and this bar over 0.9. It tells that 0.9 is repeating itself. It means that this is non-terminating because it will go on non-terminating recurring. Why recurring? Because this is 0.9, then again 0.9, then again 0.9. This particular string of 2 digits will get repeated every time. Then about this one. Here it is 4 and 1 by 8. It means that this is in the form of a mixed fraction, and you can write it as 33 by 8. This is 4.125. Again, this is 4.125. That's it. It's terminating. This is terminating. This is 3 by 30. Now in this case, if you pay attention to this decimal digits, it's 0.230769, then again 230769, then again 230769, and so on. It means that you can write this as 0.23079 and put the bar over this. It means that this is non-terminating because it will go on, and recurring because this is 230769. This string of 6 digits will get repeated every time, right? What about this one? This is 0.18181818. It means that this is 0.18 and the bar will be over 18. It means that again this is non-terminating because this quotient will go on, and recurring because 18, this is a string of 2 digits that will repeat itself. What about this one? It is 329 divided by 400. It is equal to 0.8225. That's it. It's terminating. You know that 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857, and the bar over this string of 6 digits means that this string will repeat itself. Can you predict what the decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7 are without actually doing a long division? If so, how? Okay, first let's discuss about 2 by 7. So basically when you divide 1 by 7, then the long division is something like this, right? So in the quotient, you'll get 0.142857. Then again, this string will start repeating itself. That is 142857, then 142857, then again 142857. This is for 1 by 7. So you have to tell for 2 by 7 without actually performing this long division. That's simple. I'll tell you how. Simple, focus here at this point. When it is 2 by 7, so you write 2 and then you divide by 7, then actually your division, like in this case, this is 0.14287. So when you write, you have 2 by 7, it means 2, you put 0 here, your decimal comes here, then you go for 7 times 2. So 7 times 2, you get 14, 6 remainder, you put 0 again, 7 times 8, 7 times 8, you get 56, then you get 4, then again put 0, 7 5 35, 7 5 35. It means that next time you'll get 7. So you have reached actually here. Now you have 1 here. After dividing it by 7 and the quotient is 7, you get 1 here. Now your division will start from here. So next time you will get what? 7 times 1. So 7 times 1, this one will come here. Then you'll get 30. Sorry, remainder is 3. You'll put 0. Then 7 times 4. So 7 times 4. Now you have again reached here. So next time you'll get what? You'll get then again 2 8 5 7 1 4. Then again 2 8 5 7 1 4, and so on. So the point is, in this case 20, your division, when you'll divide, your quotient will start from here. 2 8 5 7, then 1 4. 2 8 5 7 1 4, 2 8 5 7 1 4, 2 8 5 7 1 4. The same pattern will be for 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. I'll show you, don't worry. For 3 by 7, so when it is 3 by 7, so you are actually here, right? So 7 times, you write 3, divide by 7, first time it goes 0 0. 7 times 4, so 7 times 4. Then you get 2, then you put 0, 7 times 2, so 7 times, first is 4, then 2. So in the same way, you will get 4 2 8 5 7, and then this 1 here. Then again 4 2 8 5 7 1, 4 2 8 5 7 1. That is 4 2 8 5 7 1, and the pattern is exactly what we have seen here. So next is for 4 by 7. So when you are solving for 4 by 7, so it is actually your starts from here. So you write 4, divide by 7, you put 0, therefore decimal point. Then 7 times 5, 7 times 5, 35. This is 50. Then 7 times 7, so 7 times 7 is 49. You get 1. Then it means that now it will reach here to this point, right? Then 7 times 1, so 7 times 1, so 5 7 1 4 2 8, 4 2 8, 5 7 1 4 2 8, 5 7 1 4 2 8, and so on. It means that it is 0.571428 and bar over it. In this case it was 0.428571 and bar over, sorry, where is it? I'm sorry, it's not functioning. Okay, some technical issues there, so leave it. So this is now for 5 by 7. Okay, this is for 5 by 7. In the case of 5 by 7, you are actually here. So you write 5, divide by 7, you put 0, so 0 point, because you are putting 0. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 7 is 49, you get 1. Now if you notice this division of 1 by 7, now you are actually here. So next time you'll put what? 7 times 1, so 7 times 1. Then you get 3, then 0, 7 times 4, so 7 times 4. So this, in this case, it is 7 1 4 2 8 5, 7 1 4 2 8 5, 7 1 4 2 8 5, and so on. It means that it is 0.714285, and the bar is here, right? So what about this 6 by 7. In the case of 6 by 7, you are actually here. So you write 6 divided by 7. When you take 0, it means you'll put the decimal point 0. 7 times 8 is 56. You get 4 remainder, you'll put 0. 7 times 5 is 35. You get 5, you put 0. 7 times 7 is 49. You get 1. Now it's actually at this position, right? So 7 times then 1 is 7. You get 3 here. You put 0. 7 times 4 is 28. You get 2 here. 0. 7 times 2 is 14. You get 6. And now your division will again start from this position, right? It means that 857142. 857142. It means that it is equal to 0.857142, and this bar will be on this one. Now, this is the last question, and it is express the following in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. So this is 0.6 and the bar is over 6. It means that it is of the form 0.6666 and so on. Let's assume that this is x. So x is equal to 0.66666 and so on. Now, if we multiply both the LHS and RHS by 10, this is 10 multiplied by x is equal to 10 multiplied by 0.666 and so on. This gives you 10x is equal to 6.666 and so on. And from here, now this can be written as 10x is equal to 6 plus 0.666 and so on. Why? Because when you add this integer plus this decimal number, you'll get this number only. So we have just rewritten it like this. Now this is actually what? This is x. Why? You can see here 0.666666 is actually x. So we have written this here. From here you get 10x is equal to 6 plus x. It means this gives you 9x is equal to 6. It means it is x is equal to 6 by 9. 3 is the highest common factor. So this becomes x is equal to 2 by 3. Right? So x is equal to 2 by 3 means what? Actually, x is equal to 0.6666 is equal to 2 by 3. That is 0.6 bar over 6 is equal to 2 by 3. It's of the form p by q, where p is 2, 3 is q, and we have just written it in the form of p by q. This is p, this is q, p by q form, right? Now, in the second one, you have 0.4 and bar is over 7. So this is 0.477777 and so on. Let's assume that it is actually equal to x. So if this is x, and if you multiply this with 10 LHS and RHS by 10, that this is 10 multiplied by x is equal to 10 multiplied by 0.4777 and so on. So from here you get 10x is equal to 4.777 and so on. And from here you can rewrite it, this one you can rewrite it as 10x is equal to 4.3 plus 0.4777 and so on. Why? When you add these two numbers together, this is 4.3 and this is 0.4 and 7 bar over 7. This means this will give you 4.7 and 7 bar over here. It means this is nothing else but 4.7 7 7 7 7 and so on. That's same thing here like this, right? So now this is what 0.477777 is what actually, if you see here, this is x. So from here this is 10x is equal to 4.3 plus x. This gives you 9x is equal to 4.3. This gives you 9x is equal to 43 by 10. We can write this as 43 by 10, right? Because it has one decimal point, so you will divide by 10. So from here you get x is equal to 43 by 90, right? 43 by 90. Now this is of the form p by q, where p is 43 and q is 90. And what's x? X is actually this, that is 0.47 and bar over it, that is this one. So we have solved this one. The last one, in this case this is 0.001. So let's say that, assume that x is equal to 0.001001001 and so on. If we multiply both the sides by 1000, right? Because if you multiply both the sides by 1000, this is 1000x is equal to 1000 multiplied by 0.001001001 and so on. From here you get 1000x is equal to 1 point. Since decimal point is here, we want it will reach here because we are multiplying by 1000. So this is 001 001 001 and so on, right? Now this can be rewritten as 1000x is equal to 1 plus 0.001 001 001 and so on. Okay, now this is what? This is actually x, right? Can you see here? This is actually x. So from here you get 1000x is equal to 1 plus x, and this is 999x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 999. X is what? 0.001 and bar over this one, right? Because this is repeating and this is 1 by 999. Therefore, we have written this number as in the form of p by q, where p is 1, q is 999.